Eyeliner is just doing so much today. It's got like a purple shadow on as well. Ladies, happy Halloween. So you're going to ask, why are you in bed, Corrine? What are you doing? So I'm not just having a nap, I've got a bug and I haven't actually been sick, but my stomach has just been really playing up. So I am currently in bed. I have a super scary spot on my face. Look at that, that is disgusting. So all in the Halloween theme. So today it is now lunchtime and I'm still in bed and I'm going to wait for Harry to get home. Matt's downstairs looking after the kids. Luckily he's got the day off today. So Charlie went to nursery school this morning and now Matt's just getting him some lunch, and then as soon as Harry gets home we're going to carve a pumpkin. And I've just managed to eat actually some like ready salted crisps, and I feel that when you've got like a bit of a dicky tummy it really helps because it like brings all your salts up, and also it's potato so it's carbohydrate. So I'm actually feeling a little bit better since I did that, so I'm just waiting for it all to like kick into my system. I feel like a bit of a fragile flower at the moment. So I've got a pink and purple wig that I will show you later. I'm going to do some like pink and purple eye makeup for my look. I haven't really got anything to wear, but I just thought it'd be cute just to kind of, the kids will be mainly dressing up. And I filmed Harry yesterday opening his Halloween costume, so I'll insert that right here. Right then, Harry's about to open his Halloween
costume!
Yay! Go on then, rip it open. Hi Charlie.
I can't wait.
Whoa! What is it? Open it up.
Glow in the dark.
How do you know it glows in the dark?
Because it says it.
Does it? Oh, that's so fun. Wow.
Oh.
That's so cute. Turn it around. Turn it around. Whoa, that is so cool.
Why don't I try these on?
Okay then.
Quickly.
So yeah, Charlie's still got his onesie costume from last year. He had a really bad temperature last year. He had a really bad like chesty cough and all that. And I've got a bit of a chesty cough as well. But it doesn't really matter about me because I can just like put a coat on and I'll be fine. But yeah, so we're going to go trick-or-treating tonight and I hope that it is going to go well. Hi ladies, so it's been a few hours and I'm still feeling really bad. I was going to take some cyclizine earlier, just kind of stop the nausea, but it seems to be more of like a stomach thing now, kind of like stomach cramps. Matt dragged me around Asda and it was actually an awful idea, but he just loves to do that when I'm ill because he feels like I need fresh air. But in the process we got these. Ooh. So I'm hoping that they will help with my stomach cramps, kind of all sort of down there. So fingers crossed that that will help. I really want to be well enough to carve the pumpkin and everything. I don't know why everyone's got to be ill. Like, at least one person in our family goes ill every bloody Halloween. So we'll see, guys. I don't feel very well at all. Hello, Charlie. Are you helping Mummy feel better by sitting on her and unravelling the loo roll? Wow, that's fun. So, I am actually feeling a bit better. The Buscapan has definitely worked. Get your big baby head out of the way. Your big baby head. Charlie. Ow, you punch her in the nose with your big baby head. Say hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies.
The camera's up here. You crazy hair. So Harry's got an adult tooth come through. You show the ladies? Move your finger out the way. Whoa, look at it. Which is the wobbly one? Oh, God. Is it ready to come out yet?
No.
Shall I punch you in the face and see what happens?
No. that hurt extremely.
I love you.
I love you.
We don't have any violence in this house, do we?
Today I did sewing at school.
Did you? That's amazing.
Yeah.
Did you stab yourself?
Stitching.
Did you stab yourself?
No,
Oh, that's
not
good.
really.
You've got some like little dry patches. Put some cream on that. So are you looking forward to carving the pumpkin?
Yeah.
What are we going to do it as? We went out to Asda and we went to buy another pumpkin, but we could only get one that we've already got, so we couldn't get another one. So,
why?
Because there was none left.
Oh.
I know. So, what would you like to do it as?
A cat.
A cat. So you're going to have to show me.
A cat's face.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll draw it out first and then we'll get a knife and stab at it.
We'll draw the outlines with a pen.
Yeah. You excited?
Yeah, we need to use our sharpest but smallest knife.
Sharpest but smallest knife. Okay. Right, go get changed into regular clothes for now. Otherwise you're going to get pineapple. Otherwise you're going to get pumpkin juice all over the place. So, what shape eyes do you want?
Circular.
Circular, okay. So if we do like one here.
That's a bit faded.
Yeah, but you're going to cut it out.
And now I'll do the
Triangle nose, yeah?
a triangle.
Upside down.
An upside down triangular nose.
Yeah. Okay, we're probably going to make it slightly bigger, but that's a good start. So what we'll do is we'll do it more like this, and then...
We could always draw a design on the back as well and have two faces.
Maybe.
Make it a bit bigger like that, okay? Because then the bigger it is, the more light you can see coming through it.
Do you want to do one on the back as well, Mummy?
No, Daddy.
Don't forget we need to make this one bigger.
No, that one's okay.
That one is okay, I was just making it...
Whoa!
Okay, right, now we need to do...
That one.
No, I like doing a star, lids. Right, mind your face, because I'm going to, like, slice through this thing. Oh, this is a good sharp knife, Daddy.
Granny gave it to us.
Did she? Oh, that was nice of her.
For carving things.
Oh, really? Daddy, would you like to do the next bit?
Oh. This says that I get the blame, isn't it?
Why are you holding the knife like a pen? You're going to slice straight through your thumb doing it like that. No, I can't watch. I can't watch. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Whoa! Look at that!
Get a spoon, Pudding the
Scrape
seeds.
out all the stuff inside then.
It's all stuck like vines.
I'll turn it upside down and you pat the bottom.
Oh my god. That's really grim. Oh. I don't think you've ever put your hand in something so wet and gooey. Harry, did you just wipe your pumpkin-y hands on your t-shirt? Oh my goodness. This is why we didn't put our costume on to begin with.
Yeah.
So, one of these little candles,
Yeah.
I believe, was left in the middle of the table, or maybe a slightly bigger one, like at Grandma Tina's house. And I leant forward like this, and my hair caught fire. That was a happy Halloween.
Did you just have to dip in water?
Oh, I patted it to get everything. Oh, right, we done? Right, let's start carving out the face. Oh, it smells very pumpkin-y.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands. highways, and on we'll go.
Right, Harry, you do the whiskers then, babe. Stick your finger in the hole. Sit the other side. Good boy. Good boy. Right, Mummy, cut it now.
No, let me just draw this
Well
one.
done, darling. You're very artistic.
Unlike Daddy.
Like Daddy.
Right, let's hit this.
I didn't want either.
I think the mouth looks fine actually, Daddy, thank you.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on.
Charlie, wait a minute, look. Wait. So I don't know where they are, sweethearts. Oh, that's really good. Whoa. Yeah, that's alright.
That could be dangerous if the boat. Oh, Charlie! Why?
So this was just a wig from Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, it's just synthetic, but I thought it would be really cool. I've got like a wig cap on underneath here as well. I just thought it'd be super cool. The boys are just finishing dinner now, and then we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go trick-or-treating.
Feel it.
It's still more scratchy than my beauty blender.
This will need cleaning first. It may. Maybe cleaning. Hi, ladies!
What are we doing today? Yay!
Halloween face paint!
Okay, so we're gonna go
Hey.
for something like this.
But if only
We're gonna use a beauty blender.
green, white, and black.
I've actually got white. We doing?
Just turn that around.
Oh, could you not see before?
I couldn't see that.
Beauty blender, perfect for doing children makeup.
Don't forget this is for the green on the eyes.
Are you sitting still? Nope. Cool, looking pretty white. Right, what we're doing next?
Green.
Around the eyes, yeah?
I mean on the eyes. On the eyelids.
Okay.
Not with the beauty blender.
Beauty blender. It's working though. Don't scrunch your face up like that. Just regular.
I said use this.
And I said that it's better to use this. That green's really good.
Try not to do it quite hard though.
Why?
It just hurts a bit.
Well, at least we're not using the sponge that they gave us, otherwise that'd be even more painful. That looks so cool already. Look at the camera. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. That looks so cool. Matt, can you get the door?
Black around the eyes.
Should we look like Harry? Yeah? Good boy. Wow. Charlie, show the camera how many sweeties we got. We got loads. Hi ladies. So we had an amazing time. Literally there was all the kids from the school that we live near, and it was such a nice atmosphere. There was actually a guy that's a policeman, and he'd literally got like police tape wrapped around his car, wrapped around his house, and there was like a dead body and like those little like numbers and everything. It was so good. Are you excited? Look at how many sweeties we've got. Yay! Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Happy Halloween, everyone. Hope you had an amazing day. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, ladies. Good boys.
Bye.